Hey guys, welcome back to Cookside Down. Today on the show, we've got Hendrik and his many sausages.
Guten Tag.
So Hendrik is a TV personality here in Germany, a food advocate, food writer, and also co-owner of a butchery in Berlin.
Kreuzberg.
Hendrik, what are we cooking today?
Oh, we got an amazing range of sausages from all over Germany, and we make Currywurst today.
Currywurst. This is fast food, right?
Now we're gonna try to make fast good of it today.
Well, let's make fast good. Get out of here, we'll get started.
Bam! Everything's set to go for the sauce, but get me some onions.
Onions, I think I can help you there. Are you a good catch?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Thank you. Oh, and you know what else? Curry. We want to make a currywurst. I need curry spices.
I have many spices over here. I'll pass them.
All right. Here we got our spices, the curry powder and the cayenne pepper and some fresh ginger. That's gonna make a nice sauce for our wurst. You got some fine, fresh sausage. It's the bratwurst, but not poached. Very fresh, very nice.
Vice versa. I recognize this one. Good for the Frühstück, yeah?
Oh yeah. If you're living in Bavaria, it's like the first ones, like the fresh ones, but poached and with nice more spices and herbs like fresh parsley and some lemon should be in there too. And now we're in the smoked section. The lightly smoked on the I can see it over the split screen, right or right, left hand? The long one. We're gonna use this for a currywurst, and the other one is more smoked, and it's coarse and it's like super deep flavor, super nice one.
Looks ready to eat.
Oh yeah. Just get a bite. Give a bite. Oh, and get me one too.
Yeah.
Come on.
You want to try it?
Whoa!
Nice.
Perfect for German Eintopf, like a stew. Oh, perfect. All right, let's get cooking.
I've got a pan over here.
Oh, you got a pan already? But no oil. You need some oil, right?
Yeah, help us out. Thank you so much. So I think we'll go the long one.
Oh, yeah, the long one and the fresh one. And be careful with the fresh one because that might really burst. It's a very fresh sausage. It's gonna expand in the casing and you don't wanna have it bursting.
Germany is famous for sausages.
Oh yeah, we're a sausage country.
You're the owner of the butchery there in Berlin.
Yeah, right. We started this 2 years ago with a butcher. I'm not a butcher, I'm a designer, but I work together with cool butchers and butcherettes. And it started a hype basically to revive the whole craft of butchery that is, a little in danger to disappear because young people don't want to become a butcher anymore. But now with like good animals and good farms, people are coming back to the craft.
So we've got the sausages here. What's going on top?
Oh yeah, it's a curry sauce. That's the whole myth behind the sausage. You might ask why is there curry sauce on a German sausage? Post-wartime, people were really into like exotic foods. So somebody in Hamburg, actually on the Reeperbahn, did the first sausage with some curry sauce. The currywurst is all over Germany and people really love it, and it's one of their favorite street foods. I think the sauce is ready.
Sausages are looking great as well. Why don't you come over and we'll put them together.
Oh yeah. Should I cut it?
Yeah, you're the professional.
Oh,
Show me how it's done.
Small bits. Oh, it smells good, right? You can have the smoky flavor. And you see the fresh one.
Yes.
Nice. And finishing it up with some curry powder.
Looks beautiful.
You should try, come on.
Oh, I can't wait.
How do you like it?
Oh,
Good?
I'm coming to Berlin ASAP.
Oh, you should.
It was a pleasure to have you on the show, Hendrik.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to find out more about this recipe, you can go on the Instagram page, German Culinary, and we'll see you next week for more.